To learn any programming language, you need to first start with the loops. And when I say loops, I mean for, if, while, those kind of things. Once you are through how to run for, while kind of loops in that program, you are almost 50% through. Welcome to Honey of Knowledge. This is Ashish Gourav, and in this video, we will be talking about how to learn any programming language for a beginner. So, when I say learning a programming language, what I mean is you need to know how to do basic things in that programming language. And for getting any basic things done in a programming language, we need to know how to run loops, for, while, if, and things like those. If you are through with these loop structures, then you need to know how to initialize variables, numeric as well as string variables. How do you write a is equal to 5 and b is equal to some name Ashish? So that's the second part of it. The next part of it is how do you install libraries. Every programming language has a protocol, or rather syntax of including libraries, necessary libraries and the user required libraries. So you need to know which libraries to include in a program and how to do that. Next thing which you need to do is you need to learn that in programming the equal to sign has many meanings. When you write a is equal to a plus 1, it could be very confusing. For someone who is a beginner in programming, he might think, what kind of a structure is this? A is equal to a plus 1? You just cancel out the a's and 0 is equal to 1. That's absurd. So you need to understand that is equal to is not equalizing the LHS and RHS. This equal to sign is used as an assignment. So a variable is getting an assignment of a plus 1. So it is going to get incremented by 1. Similarly, you can also get a is equal to plus 1 or a plus equal to 1. It means you need to add 1 to a. So you need to know these kind of things also. The next thing which you need to understand is how to write print for numbers and strings and statements. So you need to know how to print your output or print anything in general. So if you know these steps, you can start programming in that language as a beginner. So I will just recap. First thing which you need to know is how to use for, while, if and else. Next thing is you need to know how to include libraries in your program, in that programming language. Next is you need to know how to assign values to variables. Next thing is you need to know that the equal to sign can be used in many ways in a programming language. It can be used for assignment. It can also be used in other ways. Next thing is you need to know how to print output and statements. So once you are done with these things, you can start programming in that language. That's it for this micro Friday talk, and catch you again in another video. And before you go, like, subscribe, share, and also watch my other videos playing around here.